this is not the only way to stimulate your erection. Hello friends, Dr. Arkady with ReBalance, and today we're going to talk about two very important amino acids, two great supplements that can make a huge difference in male sexual performance. One is L-arginine and the other one is L-citrulline. We're going to compare them to each other, we're going to figure out which one is better, which one is healthier, and which one will work for you. As you may already know, at ReBalance, we're looking at functional approach to health. We're looking for a root cause of the problem and the ways to correct them. When it comes to male sexual performance, one of the main factors is the blood circulation. That's why so many men are relying on medications like Viagra and Cialis that help to enhance the blood circulation and increase the blood flow to the penis to get the erection. Well, guess what? This is not the only way to stimulate your erection. So if you follow us, you may already seeing parts of our sexual wellness and enhancement program. So giving you the right supplements is just another part of that program. And these two amino acids play a huge role in those supplements. So let's talk about them. L-arginine as well as the L-citrulline, both vasodilators. How do they do that? Well, they stimulate the formation of nitric oxide. They're actually precursors to nitric oxide. And nitric oxide is the gas that does just that. It opens up the blood vessels and enhances the blood flow into the penis. Not only into the penis, it enhances the blood flow into all the muscles. That's why often you see athletes or people that trying to work on the bulkiness of the muscles before the gym, they supplement with L-arginine specifically to enhance the blood flow to the muscle and get the bulkier muscle. With the erectile dysfunction or just erection stimulation process, we need the same thing. We need to bring the blood into the penis and enhance that erection. Comparing both of those amino acids, even though they're extremely similar, L-arginine is actually used in many other functions in the body. So the absorption of it and the breakdown of L-arginine is somewhat different from L-citrulline. L-citrulline is a direct precursor to nitric oxide, is a big building block for nitric oxide. So it gets absorbed in the body slightly different. So we actually need a little less amount of L-citrulline to create a nitric oxide. With L-arginine, in order to achieve the same result, we need to go up in amount of milligrams that we prescribe, and that sometimes is a problem because it has a small side effect. It can irritate your stomach, and there's nothing worse than having a diarrhea at the time of the erection. So guess what? We prefer L-citrulline. At the same time, we also offer a lot of intravenous cocktails, and one of them, you guessed it, is to enhance the sexual performance. And in that cocktail, we give L-arginine directly into your bloodstream through the IV. In addition, we recommend another very important supplement, Pycnogenol. Pycnogenol is an extract from the bark of the French pine tree, and it also works as the vasodilator. So it also enhances the blood circulation. So combining those two, L-citrulline and Pycnogenol, gives a very, very good boost to your bloodstream. And guess what? For some people, it works just as good as Cialis or Viagra without any side effects that we carry along with those two medications. In addition, we also recommend to take some B6 vitamin, zinc, as well as magnesium. Those vitamins are also very important for male sexual wellness and health. So again, the choice is yours. But if you, just like us, looking for a good functional approach to health, restoring the blood circulation using the sonic waves, restoring blood circulation using some of the platelets and rich plasma, our exosomes that we often use, and enhancing the blood flow using the right supplements, please follow us.